Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this product. The product name is you can say TorqueBall, and I know you have seen lots of advertisement in nowadays from your social media accounts and all. So you want to know, is this product legit or not, or it's a scam? So in this video I'm going to provide you all the information related to this product. You should purchase this product or not, and what are the problems you are going to face if you are going to purchase this product. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, as usual, we have checked the trust score of this website. The trust score is good, and we're talking about the age of the website. The age of the website is only 9 months from now. As you know, this is a very newly launched product in the market, and this is a very newly launched website. So newly launched website, you can't trust them. First of all, this is the very big concern. Now come to the main point, that is, you can say they have provided like reviews on internet, like they are claiming that they are listed on Trustpilot, and when we research their product on Trustpilot, yes, they are listed on Trustpilot, but in 9 months they have approx 43 reviews, and out of which 16% are negative. And all, when we check all the negative reviews, and all customer are complaining that, you can say, some of the customer are complaining about like they did not get good product, and some get good product, but they when they want to return their product, they can't return product. And you have to check each and every review before making any kind of purchase, because there are lots of information available on the page, that how they are you can say discard their, you can say, returns and all. They are not claiming their refunds and all. So this is a very big issue, that this is a very popular product and they are refusing their returns and return refunds. So this is a very big concern. Now come to the second point, that is, you can say, is this product really worthy or not? My dear friends, when we research the product on internet, and what we find, you can see this product is easily available on, you can say, on Amazon also, in India also. And if we're talking about, you can say, NSD Powerball, you can say there are lots of similar products easily available in the market. So as you can see, this is another one website. The website name is powerball.60web.com, and here you can see lots of Powerballs available. You can check anyone, and when you click on anyone, then you can see there are, you can say, unlimited, countless balls available in the market. And if we're talking about the one more website, that is, you can say, in India, this is very popular, India Mart. And as you can see, the cost of the product is totally different. And if we are going to talking about like on Amazon, you can see the price of the ball is totally different. One ball is approx 16,000 rupees, and there is a very big huge difference in prices and all. So there is a lots of confusion about the product and the, you can say, product reviews. So we have our conclusion that this website is not looking like too good to purchase any kind of product on this website. So please stay with these type of websites. Maybe you will not get your product, and when you get your product, maybe you will face lots of problems while returning your product. If you are not satisfying after buying the product, so you are not able to return your product, because as you can see, they have provided like money back 90 days guarantee, but on the reviews they are refusing that. They are claiming that they are not giving refunds and returns. Okay, so they have rejected their returns and refunds. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money and don't invest any money in these type of websites. If you really want to purchase this kind of product, you can go with Amazon.com, or you can go with any official stores where you can easily return and refund your products. Now you can make your own decision, you should purchase this product or not. I'm not going to say you should purchase or not. Okay, so you can make your own decision. You are a smart person. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.